Hello students, in last session we studied abstract nouns. So today we are going to learn the nouns number. There are two numbers in English language. They are singular and plural. Now look at these sentences. The first sentence is keep the table ready for the guest. In this sentence, the nouns table and guest stand for one thing or one person. Now look at second sentence. Keep the tables ready for the guest. In second sentence, the nouns tables and guests stands for more than one thing or more than one person. It means when the noun stands for one person or thing or animal or place, it is said to be in the singular number. And when the noun stands for more than one person, thing, animal or bird or place, it is said to be in the plural number. Now there are some rules for forming the plural of nouns. The first rule is by adding s to singular. Now see some examples. Boy, dog, kitten, girl, pencil, cat. All these words are nouns but in singular form. Boy means one boy. Dog means one dog. Kitten means one kitten. Girl means one girl. Pencil means one pencil. Cat means one cat. And in plural form, we have to add only s at the end of these words. For example, boy, boys. Dog, dogs. Kitten, kittens. Girl, girls. Pencil, pencils. Cat, cats. Now let's move to the second rule. By adding es to nouns ending in s, double s, sh, ch or x. Now there are many words in English which ends with s, double s, sh, ch or x. In plural form, we have to add only es at the end of those words. Here are some examples. For example, bus. The word bus ends with s, letter s. So in plural, we have to add only es at the end. So it becomes bus, buses. Class. The word class ends with double s. So in plural, we add es. So it becomes class, classes. Brush. The word brush ends with sh. So in plural, we add only es at the end. So it becomes brush, brushes. Church. The word church ends with ch at the end. So in plural, we add only es. So it becomes church, churches. Box. The word box ends with letter x. So in plural, we add es at the end. So it becomes box, boxes. Bench, benches. The word bench also ends with letter ch. So in plural, we add es at the end and it becomes bench, benches. The next rule is by adding es to nouns ending in o and having a consonant before it. Now we all know there are 5 vowels and 21 consonants in English language. The 5 vowels are A, E, I, O, U. and remaining 21 are consonants. So there are some words which ends with O, but before O there is a consonant. For example, zero. The word zero ends with O, but before O there is a consonant R. So in plural form we have to add ES at the end. Zero, zeros. Echo. The word echo ends with O, but before O there is a consonant H. So in plural we have to add ES at the end and it becomes echo, echoes. Hero. The word hero also ends with letter O, but before O there is a consonant R. So in plural it becomes hero, heroes. Volcano, volcanoes. The word volcano also ends with letter O, but before O there is a consonant N. So in plural we add ES at the end and it becomes volcano, volcanoes. Potato, potatoes. Buffalo, buffaloes. Potato also ends with O, letter O, but there is a consonant before O. So in plural form we add ES at the end and it becomes potato, potatoes. Buffalo. The word buffalo also ends with O, but before O there is a consonant L. So in plural form we add ES at the end and it becomes buffalo, buffaloes. There are some exceptions words. For example, dynamo. The dynamo word ends with O and there is a consonant before O, but we add S at the end in plural form. These words are exceptions. Dynamo, dynamos. Photo, photos. Piano, pianos. Solo, solos. In these words, in plural, at the end we add only S. Next rule. By changing the endings F and FE to V and adding ES. There are some words which ends with letter F or FE. For example, knife. The word knife ends with letter FE. So in plural form, we remove FE and it becomes we add VES. So it becomes knife, knives. Life. The word life also ends with letter FE. So in plural form we have to remove FE and add VES in plural form. So it becomes life, lives. Leaf. The word leaf also ends with F. So in plural form we removed F and added VES. So it becomes leaf, lives. Self, slaves. Self. The word self also ends with F. In plural form we remove F and add VES. So it becomes self, slaves. Wife, wives. The word wife ends with FE. In plural form we remove FE and add VES. So it becomes wife, wives. Thief, thieves. The word thief also ends with EF. So in plural form we remove EF and add VES at the end. So it becomes thief, thieves. There are some exceptions words also. For example, roof. The word roof ends with letter F, but in plurals we add only S. Brief, briefs. Proof, proofs. All these words are exceptions words. They ends with letter F, but in plural we add only S. Not VES, we add only S. I hope you all are understood. There are some more rules. We will study them in next session. Bye bye. Thank you.